Hello students and welcome parents. Once again we are here at another topic. That topic name is omission. As the word suggests omission, here is the hint miss. Miss means what? Something is missing. What the word indicates omission? In omission, there in each line one word is missing. We have seen about addition. What happens in addition? In addition, one incorrect word is there in each line. But in omission, miss, MISS, miss means missing. One word is missing in each line. We are starting with paragraph. How we have to solve? Actual answer we have to write here. Where? At missing word. Here we have to write before word. Here after word. The correct one we have to write here. But this is also to fill for the accurateness. We are starting students. See, first I am reading the passage. You also have to read the passage. What happens? Always starts with subject but ends with full stop. But this is going to happen in 3 lines. But in each line there is missing word. If there is a cross sign like this, it means there is no missing word. That is a complete meaningful line. We are starting with first one. Please listen students. Dr. Loop, the name of the doctor is Dr. Loop. The father modern bypass surgery was not only expert surgeon but an administrator par excellence. It is rare to find someone who combines the two as Dr. Loop did. He practiced cardiothoracic surgery 30 years and headed the department surgery, the Cleveland Clinic. See, something is missing in each line, means a word, a single word. It may be preposition, it may be conjunction, it may be verbal mistake, it may be tensial mistakes. But we have to find it out and write here. See, I am starting. Sir, tell me the way how to solve this omission. The only way is to make a meaningful sentence. By what type of joining? There may be conjunction, tense word, verbal, helping verb, main verb, clauses वर्ड, या हम बोल सकते हैं उसको कंजंक्शन, ऐसा कुछ भी लगा के इफ यू कैन मेक वन कंप्लीट मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस देन यू आर ready to solve it. We are starting with the first one. See, Dr. Luke, the father modern bypass surgery. The father what? The father of modern bypass surgery. Modern bypass surgery आप लोगों को सबको पता है. Dr. Luke, the father. Father is before word. What we will write here? Father. Father किसके? Father. The actual correct word is of. Of is missing here. After word is modern. After word is modern. See now the sentence first. Dr. Luke, the father of modern bypass surgery was, here is not only then but also is also there. The Dr. Luke, the father of, missing word is here, the father of modern bypass surgery was not only expert surgeon. What is missing here? Here the word is expert. What we have to use? We have to use an before expert. We know AEIOU. We have to use an before expert, and before word is only. See, small mistakes are there. Small missing word is there. Dr. Luke, the father of modern bypass surgery, was not only an expert surgeon but also, I was told before some time, if there is not only but also is also there, not a single but will be used. What we will use? But also, means before word is but, answer of missing word is also, after word is an. See, I am reading the sentence up to here. Dr. Luke, the father of modern bypass surgery, was not only an expert surgeon but also an administrator par excellence. It is rare to find someone who combines. Here is no missing word they have given. Don't use more there. It is rare to find someone who combines the two as Dr. Luke did. It is रेयर टू फाइंड समवन, ऐसा बड़ी मुश्किल से मिलेगा कोई व्यक्ति हु कंबाइंस द टू as, just as Dr. Luke did. Just as. What is the missing word? Just. What is the missing word? Just. And before word is to, after word is Dr. Luke. After word is Dr. Luke. See, I am reading sentence again. It is rare to find someone who combines the two just as Dr. Luke did. He practiced cardiothoracic surgery 30 years. What? He has experience for 30 years. He practiced cardiothoracic surgery. What is the missing word here? Of 30 years, nahi, for 30 years. For, he has practiced for 30 years. Before word is surgery, after word is 30, and missing word is for. See, he practiced cardiothoracic surgery for 30 years and headed. Head means leaded. He was the captain and headed the department. The department, here is missing something. The department, before word is department. Before word is department. And what is the missing word? Department of. No after word, that's why we shall cross here. No after word because line is completed. See, he practiced cardiothoracic surgery for 30 years and headed the department of surgery, the Cleveland Clinic. What is the missing word here? Where? Where? At Cleveland Clinic. The before word is surgery. After word is the. See, if you read like this, it is more meaningful. Dr. Luke, the father of modern bypass surgery, was not only an expert surgeon but also an administrator par excellence. It is rare to find someone who combines the two just as Dr. Luke did. He practiced cardiothoracic surgery for 30 years and headed the department of surgery at the Cleveland Clinic. So students, you can solve like this. This question compulsory carries 4 marks for CBSE 10 standard. That's why you must be more careful towards this question for solving while choosing actual where the missing word is. If you practice for some time, you will definitely get the answer. This is the first one. Read carefully and try to find the answer how I have found.